Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 239. And if we start with this column, we're missing a 6. And for this row, we're missing a 4. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this box, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this row now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 here and a 7 here, so this is our 8. That 3 makes this our 7, 3. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column now, we're just missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. Oh, and this 3 makes this our 9, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 1, 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 5, 9 here, so 7 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.